In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Zoho Invoice. To get started, the first thing you need to do is open your Zoho Books account. Make sure you're logged in and on the main dashboard so you can easily access the tools you need. Zoho Books and Zoho Invoice features are designed to help you create and manage invoices efficiently. So once you're inside the account, the process is quite straightforward. From the main area of your account, go to the Sales section. This is where you'll find the tools related to customer billing, sales transactions, and invoice management. If you're new to the platform, take a moment to notice the navigation menu so you can get comfortable moving around. Finding the Sales section is important because that's where invoice creation begins. After that, click on Invoice. This will take you to the Invoice page, where you can view existing invoices if there are any, and create a new one when needed. This area is essentially your invoice workspace, and it allows you to keep all billing records organized in one place. Once you're on the invoice page, click New. This opens the invoice creation form. Here, you'll need to enter the necessary details. Be careful to fill in each field accurately, since this information is what your customer will see. Typically, this includes things like the customer details, invoice date, payment terms, item or service information, quantities, rates, and any totals that apply. If your business uses taxes, discounts, or notes, make sure those are reviewed as well before saving. As you complete the form, it's a good idea to double-check everything for accuracy. Small mistakes in pricing, dates, or customer information can create confusion later, so taking an extra moment here can save time. The goal is to make sure the invoice is clear, professional, and complete before it's finalized. Once you've entered all the necessary information and confirmed that everything looks correct, click Save. This stores the invoice in your account and completes the process. At that point, your invoice is created and ready for whatever your next action may be inside the platform. And that's it. That's how to use Zoho Invoice to create an invoice inside your Zoho Books account. As you continue using it, the process will become even faster and more familiar.